this sensitization workshop.
One of the objectives of the Alliance is developing of regulatory issues and analysis, representing the member associations in discussion with the government or other international organizations.
We have also had a job fair, the first one in Nigeria for the RE&EE sector, which was a success. And I will tell you that a lot of the people that participated at the job fair are now employed. Some have found their bearing in terms of keying into the sector.
This is the genesis of the Alliance. For the past 2-3 years, it was a long and thorny process. 7 association members out of 18 associations they interviewed, they felt that 7 or 4 associations will help them drive this process. Renewable energy and energy policy encompasses cross-cutting plans to manage the major challenges of fast-growing energy needs for the National Sustainable Development Agenda.
We're collaborating closely on an initiative called Mobilizing Investment for Clean Energy. We've just begun a Nigeria deep dive.
Our vision and mission is to help improve the state of the world. The way we do that is through public-private cooperation, where we engage many companies from different sectors at very senior levels, policymakers, experts, NGOs, etc.
And really the aim here is to support Nigeria's clean energy transition, hopefully starting with the 3-day workshop that's going to take place that the Alliance will share with you.
The articulation of these policies, yes, it can be tasking, but once we identify that this is the priority, this is what we leverage much funds from the private sector, government could go ahead and then embark on articulating or actually activating such an instrument.
REEA is not just focused on solar energy alone. We are also intentional in looking at other sources of energy, but we work more with what is in the trends and technologies that are available currently.
If we continue to jump scale from where we are to look at where others are, people that have already cleared out their table, but we are still on our table with the debris there, and we are looking at green hydrogen. By the time we get there, we realize we are not meeting up.
It is very key that whichever organization, be it a government agency, that are actually executing projects, ensure that all their projects pass through our process of inspection, testing, and certification.
I think the issue of substandard products in the market is a collective responsibility, and I'm glad that the Alliance, I'm sure, will take on that advocacy.
We would like to know about the feed-in tariffs. You know, it was passed and approved in 2015 and supposed to end 2020 and be reviewed. So what is the position now?
We have begun working on a draft amendment of both the mini-grid tariff and the renewable energy feed-in tariff. Those draft amendments are being considered in the Commission, and in due time they will be put up on the website, and also stakeholders will be invited for comments, and those comments will be incorporated.
For the small level integration, there is no challenge. If we can do small 50 megawatt, 70 megawatt, that will not give us much challenge, even on the existing grid. But as we begin to look at the ambitious targets of getting higher penetration of renewable energy, we need to be able to have clear focus and guidelines through which we can gradually set the integration targets based on the development of the system to be able to manage the capacity that the conventional generation and the existing grid infrastructure, together with the forecast, will be able to integrate gradually.
I want to sincerely thank you very much for taking your time despite the short notice for honoring our invitation. We are really grateful, and we hope we will meet with you again because you are better informed on what to do now. Even if other people are coming, but we hope to see your faces there again because we want to be sure that we are discussing with the people that can discuss further with us. Thank you very much, and may God be with us all.